We're looking at homework from section 2.1. This is question number 10. Use the given minimum and maximum data entries and the number of classes to find the class width, the lower class limits, and the upper class limits. So the minimum is 9, maximum is 53, and we're looking at 7 classes. So first thing we're going to do is find the class width. We have a formula that says the class width is the maximum minus the minimum divided by the number of classes. Well, the maximum here is 53 and the minimum is 9, so that's going to be 53 minus 9 divided by 7. 53 minus 9 is 44, so we have 44 divided by 7, which is 6.28571, and the decimal continues on. But with class width, we always round up to the next highest whole number, so this class width will be 7. Once we know that the class width is 7, we can find the lower class limits and the upper class limits. So when building a frequency distribution, you find the lower class limits by starting at the minimum data value, which is the first lower class limit, and adding the class width, which we just found out was 7, to obtain subsequent lower class limits. So I'm going to do this in table form here, where I have my lower class limits and my upper class limits. So my very first lower class limit is the minimum, which is stated above as 9. Then I add the class width of 7 to that. 9 plus 7 is 16. I can add the class width again and get 23. Add it again, we get 30. Again, we get 37, then 44, then 51, and those are my lower class limits: 9, 16, 23, 30, 37, 44, and 51. For the upper class limits, each upper class limit is one less than the next lower class limit. The difference between upper class limits is also the class width. So the first upper class limit will be one less than the second lower class limit. The second lower class limit is 16, so the first upper class limit is one less than that, 15. Then we can add the class width of 7 to get the rest. So 15 plus 7 is 22. Add 7 again, 29. Add 7 again, 36. And again, 43. Then 50. Then 57. So the upper class limits are 15, 22, 29, 36, 43, 50, and 57. And that's your answer.